Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make Baba Ghanoush. It's a Mediterranean dish and we're going to show you how to make this simple, delicious recipe at home. Take 2 medium eggplants and prick it several times with a fork. Place it directly over medium flame. Traditionally, it is prepared over charcoal fire. Let it cook, turning frequently until the skin is soft and charred. After it's cooked, take it out and let it cool for some time. After letting it cool, peel off the skin. Cut off the stem. And chop the flesh roughly. Place the flesh in a sieve and let it drain for 20 to 30 minutes. Place the drained flesh in a mixer grinder. And now add 125 ml of tahini, 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Process it well, and now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Process it again and add 2 tablespoons of chopped Italian parsley. Process briefly, transfer it to a serving dish and serve with pita bread. For more info, check out description box. Thank you for watching.